guys, welcome to my class. Today we are going to learn how to design one-way or two-way slab in STAAD Pro. So let's begin. First open STAAD Pro, click on new project, select space. You can choose the name and location, length unit meter, force unit kilonewton. You can change the length and force unit. Then click on next, then click on add beam, then finish. Okay, now here is a drawing or easy of two-way slab and one-way slab. Now what is two-way slab? Ly by Lx. Ly means long span, Lx means short span. If a slab long span divided by short span less than 2, then it will be two-way slab. And if the slab long span by short span greater than 2, then it will be one-way slab. You can see here is two different slab. This length is 5 meter and this length is 4 meter. So 5 by 4 is equal to 1.25. It is less than 2, so it will be two-way slab. And for this slab, the long span is 9 meter and short span is 4 meter. 9 by 4 is equal to 2.25. It is greater than 2, so it is one-way slab. Okay, now we have to design two different slab in STAAD. So go to STAAD Pro, click node first, create a node first, switch off the grid. Now select the node by node cursor, copy the node from keyboard Ctrl C and paste the node from keyboard Ctrl V. In the X direction is 5 meter and then 9 meter, and Z direction is 4 meter. So X direction is 5 meter. Okay, then copy this node, Ctrl C from your keyboard, Ctrl V from paste the X direction 9 meter. Okay, now copy the three nodes, Ctrl C, paste Ctrl V in the Z direction 4. Okay, now we have our slab, two different slab. Now we have to add beams. Okay, so select the nodes, go to geometry, connect beam along X axis and Z axis. Okay, now our slabs are created, beams are created. Now we have to fix the columns, fix the edge. Now for that, go to support page, click on create, select the fix support, add. Now select the supports, click on support, click on assign to selected nodes and assign, and yes, close it. Now I have to create slab. For that, go to generate surface meshing. Now click the edge of the slab, go to quadrantal meshing, division 1 for both sides, apply. Now we have to create this slab. Again click edge of the slabs, quadrantal meshing, division 1, then apply. You can change the 3D view. This is the 3D view. Now I have to give them property. For that, go to property page. Now click on define rectangle. For beams, we are going to give 250 mm by 350 mm. Then click on add Now close it. Now click on thickness for slab thickness or plate thickness. It will be 200 mm for in meter, 0.2. Add, close. Now select the beam property, select the beam cursor, select all the beams. Now click on assign to selected beams, assign yes. Plate thickness, select the plate cursor, select all plates, click on assign to selected plates, assign yes. Change the 3D view. Now this is our beam and slabs. Now I have to give them load. Now this is important. Click on load case detail, click on add, loading type dead, give title dead, add, close, click on dead, add self weight, add member load for beam, give -8 kN, add and flow load. Now pressure -4 and add it twice. Okay, we add twice. Now close it. Now select self weight, it goes to total structure, assign to view, yes. Now first select the first load, double click on it to change it, or you can click on that, click on edit to edit the range or load. Now I give the, you can see STAAD will take two slab, both are two-way. This is two-way, this is two-way, but we are not going to do this slab two-way. We are going to design as one-way for this slab, and for this slab we are going to design two-way. So we are going to change the range for the first slab or two-way slab. We are going to change the range. Now switch to node cursor. Now double click on this node. Now in X range, minimum 0, and in this X direction. Now double click on this node, and maximum range for this slab is 5. Now change maximum 5, Z minimum is 0, ZT is direction, maximum is 4, give 4 and click on change, and this is the for 2 slab, and for 1 slab double click on this load, and we are going to change the range. Minimum range for this slab is in X direction 5, minimum 5, maximum is 14, maximum 14. For Z range, minimum is 0, and for maximum Z is 4. Now switch to click on the one-way distribution and towards to longer span. You can see the load goes to the longer span. Now click on change, close. You can see this is for the 2 slab. This is blue, shown in blue current load, and this is 1 slab showing blue. Okay, now you have to keep the load to member, go to beam cursor, select the beams, click on assign the selected beams, assign yes. Similarly, you can give load to live load. Okay, now I have to design the slab. For that, go to design, concrete design, current code BS8007, select the parameters, looking to select clear, FC and FY main, compressive strength and yield strength. Okay, define the parameters. Cover is 0.025 and FC is 20,000. Sorry, 20,000 and FY main 415000 and goes to the total structure assigned to view, FC assigned to view, FY main assigned to view. Now go to comment, add the design beam and design slab. Close. Design beam goes to the beams. Select all the beams by beam cursor. Click on assign to selected beams. Assign yes, and design element. Select the design element. Select plate cursor. Select all plates. Click on assign to selected plates. Assign yes. Now we have to analyze it. Go to comment, analyze, perform analyze, no print, okay, analyze, run analyze, save. Now go to output file. Nothing to worry for the warning, and please note that depending, okay, this is for we design the one-way slab. Now go to concrete design. You can see the one-way slab and for the two-way slab. Sorry, for the two-way slab and one-way slab. Okay, all the reports are here. Now go to post processing. Go to plates, stress type, and can maximum, select maximum absolute. See how the stresses works, or you can go to the moment, MOI, local, apply. Okay, see the moments. Okay, go to modeling, select plate, double click on it, and you can see the stresses. Now take the moment, take the 4 moment and take the maximum moment and design it by manually. You can design it manually by taking the maximum moment from here. Okay, so that's it. This is how you can design and analyze two-way slab in STAAD Pro. If you have any problem, comment on my video. If the video is helpful to you, you can comment why, or if it not helpful to you, you can comment in on my video. Okay, so thank you.